Hi everyone, we are Public Achievement Dreamers and we have a public service announcement to teach you about 5 types of animal abuse. We have learned that why they are wrong and what you can do to help. Enjoy.
Physical abuse.
Ugh, you animals are so annoying. You're never quiet. What do you want now? I just gave you food. Why can you never be quiet?
Stop! Para!
I didn't know you guys could talk.
You don't know a lot of things, like how to treat your pets.
Well, what am I doing wrong?
You're throwing us like rag dolls and you're yelling at us non-stop.
Well, how should I treat you guys?
Trátalos como quieres que a ti te traten.
Treat us how you want to be treated.
Wow, guys, that's really smart. I'm sorry I was treating you so badly before. I love you guys.
Stop animal abuse. Alfie.
Remember, animals are like us. If you see animal abuse, please remember to stop it. Elaina, I'm so excited for your birthday dinner because afterwards you're having a lumber party with all our friends.
Thanks, it's going to be great.
All right, ladies, if you want to take a look at the menu, you can take a seat right here and I'll be right back with you.
Hey, look at that old lady out there. She's leaving her puppies in that hot car. They might die or get hurt. Excuse me, is it your birthday too?
Oh, yes, it is.
If you leave your puppies in a car with hot air, they could die. And I wouldn't want that to happen on your birthday.
Oh, thank you. And plus, they aren't my puppies. I'm babysitting for a friend, and she would never forgive me if they died.
Thank you. Can I buy you both a birthday dinner?
I would love that.
Here. A typical slaughterhouse kills about 1,000 hogs per hour.
What? If you don't do right, I'm going to hurt you, and you're never going to get food.
Pause.
Help us. Don't stop hurting us. Me and my friend.
Elephants who perform in circus are often kept chains from as long as 23 hours a day from the time they are babies.
Dale. Ahora bueno.
Sorry for hit you, and I can give you food, and I can help you if you want more help to learn how to do the show.
If you stop doing that, we will show you our special talent.
Okay, you can show me. Okay. You can come to eat food.
Oh my God. I love being in the fresh air and the open space. I'm so lucky I live on a free range.
Okay there, we're gonna do an experiment. Let's go. Come on. I got this brand new shampoo product. I'm gonna test it out, hopefully sell it in some stores, but first I gotta make sure it's healthy on humans. Well, for humans. So first I'll start it out. I'm gonna test this on you, okay? Rub it on your face, see if it's toxic. Alright. Let me see. Luckily, animals don't feel pain.
What did you say?
I said, luckily animals don't feel pain.
Do you know that animals do feel pain?
They do?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because they're almost like us.
Oh. Well, sorry. Sorry, buddy. Well, I want to test this product to put it in the stores. What should I do instead of testing on an animal?
First, test it with chemicals.
Okay.
And then test it on humans if
Well, humans who want to be tested, who agree to be tested on.
Yeah.
Okay. All right then, maybe I'll do that.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you have learned a lot about animal abuse and take our advice to help